Absolutely. So today there is a huge statewide initiative that's going on. It's called Fight Flu TN. And Jolie Pfeiffer with the Hamilton County Health Department is here joining us to talk about this. So kind of what's the thought process behind, having this day in multiple locations throughout the state for folks to get vaccinated?
So this is an annual event for the state of Tennessee. They do it every single year, and it's to make that access easier to flu shots and to healthcare in general, break down those barriers to ensure there's no reason between why you can't get the flu shot this year. So it's completely free, no insurance, no appointment needed. You can walk in, get your flu shot, and have a healthier flu season. That's ultimately the goal walking into the winter. Want to make sure everybody's safe and healthy this year.
Yeah, and it's one of those things that's on the to-do list for many people. It was on mine. I actually got my flu shot yesterday, so was happy to check that off. So if it's on your list as well, today is the day to do it. And so there's a way that people can search kind of the location nearest to them, right? Kind of explain that a little bit.
So on the state's website and also on our flyers, we all use the same flyers for this event. You can scan that QR code or just go to the state's website, type in flu shot, Tennessee Department of Health. You're going to pop up and you're going to be able to find the location nearest you based off your location, your zip code. And then you can typically find us at the health department, and you'll see that one of our locations will be at Paz Chattanooga today.
Okay. So does it matter if, do you have to go to the location that maybe where you live, or say if I live in Marion County but I work in Hamilton County, could I still go to the Hamilton County location?
Absolutely. Yep. There's no reason as to why you couldn't go to any of the pods throughout the state of Tennessee.
Okay.
Stop on by. It's super easy. No appointment, no insurance needed. It takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes and you're in and out.
Yeah. Do you need to bring anything, any kind of proof of residency or anything like that?
No, absolutely not. Like I said, it's a super easy process. We do ask that if you are vaccinated a minor, the parent or legal guardian needs to be present.
Yeah. So why are you guys working so hard to vaccinate as many people against the flu?
The flu is not fun. If you've ever had the flu, it's certainly not a fun experience. I had it last year.
Yeah.
It took me out for about a week. No one enjoys those symptoms. And the flu shot is an easy way to make sure you stay healthy this season during Hamilton County. And so we want to make sure that if you have that option, why wouldn't you take it? And it's free. It's a safe vaccine. It's been around for years. They make sure every year that they're targeting the typical flu that we're seeing. And it's an easier way to do it. And so we want to make sure that people have the access to those resources. And there's no reason as to why they shouldn't. And like we said, we make it 10 to 15 minutes in and out. Want to make sure you're having a healthy flu season and a healthy winter overall. Though the flu shot won't guarantee you won't get sick from getting the flu, but it will help lessen those symptoms. And if you could lessen the fever or the body aches, why wouldn't you? Because I had it last year and I felt like my hair was hurting.
If you're exactly right. If you've ever had it, it's definitely an experience you don't forget and you don't want to live again. So, well, great information. So what's that website again if people want to go on and see the location nearest to them?
Yeah, you can actually go to our website. We have the location there, so you can go to health.hamiltontn.org and you can click on our link, and then I'll actually take you to the state's link where you can look up where the location might be nearest to you. But we're doing that today at Paz Chattanooga from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m.
Okay, great information, very helpful. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
All right, we'll be right back after this.